Who is Terry Fox, and what is Terry Fox Day? This man is Terry Fox, Canada's biggest, most legendary, most courageous, and strongest hero. He was a cancer patient who ran a marathon across all of Canada just to raise money for cancer patients so they couldn't suffer like him. Though sadly his cancer spread, it was already too late. But his death wasn't in vain. By the time he died, he had raised $24.17 million, $1 per Canadian. Terry Fox lives here, in our hearts. To honor Terry Fox's legacy, our school has proudly supported the Terry Fox Foundation for 23 years. The Terry Fox Foundation is a foundation that raises money for cancer research that was formed a few years after Terry Fox's death. On this special day, we all run for Terry Fox. We all scream for Terry Fox. We all share about Terry Fox. We all race for Terry Fox. We all do this for Terry Fox. This is Fisherville's Terry Fox Day.